Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Four from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for March 23rd, 2020. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. Well, yesterday evening, the equity futures were limit down 5%, and then came the Fed, who announced a massive stimulus package, basically offering to buy anything and everything with no limit whatsoever, basically using up all their ammunition all at once. But although the markets did rally from their lows in the futures market, that rally did fail throughout the day, and yet again we closed lower. The Dow Jones Industrial Average finished lower by 582 points, or 3%. The S&P 500 was lower by 67 points, or almost 3%, while the NASDAQ fared a little better here, down 18 points, or just 0.25% lower, while the Russell 2000 finished lower by 11.5 points, or 1.13%. Bond market traded sharply higher, and the yield on the 10-year note settled at 0.746%. Crude oil did manage to come off its lows and close higher by $1.04, or 4.6%, while gold rallied hard, up 77.80, or 5.25% today. Excuse me, while the US dollar did finish higher once again today. Now, the Democrats and the Republicans are also working on a massive stimulus funding bill for individuals, and they appear to be very close. Although the vote failed twice so far in the Senate, both sides do say they are very close and may be able to reach a deal this evening. That is something that could spur a rally in these markets. If it does, we should see this market hopefully bounce back into an area of overhead resistance. If not, and it fails, or it drops like it did today, keep an eye on today's lows. If those get taken out early, we will most certainly go down once again, and probably do so very sharply. Okay, that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.